Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 children. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and it's going to be like just some homeschool chit chat in between. So for today, normally I will upload a video during the week of my makeup basket for the week. And I did not choose a different makeup basket for this week because we were doing a lot of spring cleaning. My children were on half days. Most of my children were on half days this week, and we were just doing some spring cleaning. And so I didn't choose another makeup basket for this week. And so I am using the very same things. The only thing that I had to change out was my foundation, because I chose my Clinique foundation, but I didn't realize it was already empty. And so when I was trying to get the product out of it, it was just like little tiny bits coming out. And I realized, oh, it's empty. So it's in my bin of things that I am saving up to share my empties with you. So what I ended up replacing it with was what I had the week before, which was my Lancome stick foundation. So this week we are, like I said, we had a bit of a change up in our week because we are doing some spring cleaning. I love spring cleaning, absolutely love it. I love a nice fresh start in the springtime, and I have just been purging things in every room of my house, and I love it. And then because my oldest son has grown out of so much of his clothes, I have to, and there's a big gap between my oldest son and my youngest son. And so I had to like really decide whether or not I was going to keep some of the things for my younger son, or just, you know, get rid of it, not get rid of it, but just offer it to another family, because boys' clothes are really expensive, especially when you want something nice for them that they just won't like bust through right away. And so I usually like to try another family that may need it, or before I'll give it to a Goodwill store. Because even if you go to a Goodwill store, you'll get it at a discounted rate. But, you know, I'm giving it to them so I can give it to someone else too, because sometimes that'll just be someone's blessing. Okay, so where's my foundation? So today we had Pie Day. Well, it wasn't just us, but we went to the pizza shop that has Pie Day pizzas, and for the individual pizzas, they are $3.14, 3.14. And we did this last year as well. It was so much fun. And so today we went nice and early, and we did last year as well. But last year my children went with me in the daytime, and then they went with my husband at nighttime, because they do kind of smaller pizzas. So they're more personal size, a little bit bigger than a personal size pizza. And they went with me last year, and then they went back with my husband, and it turned out that the place was so flooded. They were in a line that was going to be like an hour kind of a wait, which was amazing. So last year we went early. This year we went early, right before the lunchtime rush, and it was really nice. We had a fabulous time. The kids had so much fun. And then my oldest son and I went to the supermarket. He got up nice and early to finish up his schoolwork, which he usually does toward the end of the week, because there are certain things that they cannot do midweek, and like with their electronics and everything like that, they don't play video games and things like that during the school week. So he usually tries to get a head start on his weekend freedoms, which is smart. I had such a breakout this week. I think I've just been snacking too much. I don't know what it is. Or maybe I had some gluten in something that I didn't realize had gluten in it, because that was the kind of breakout I had. And I also got a really bad headache this week. So it's already early afternoon, and I'm just getting ready. I have to go right back out and handle some things. And so I just decided I would stop and put some makeup on. And I don't feel that I have to. I just feel this is just something I want to do. I've really been enjoying my new Juvia's Place palettes. The only issue I have with them, which is not really an issue considering the fact that it didn't stop me at all, one of the colors that I have been using stains my skin. And I don't think I've ever heard anyone say that that was an issue that they had with the palettes. But, I mean, they are so pigmented, it makes sense that something like that would happen. But I just never heard anyone say that they had that issue. I'll show you that. This color right here, it stains my skin. When I put it on, it is on to stay for a few hours. Even after taking it off, it's just there to stay. It goes away, but it's still, I just didn't expect it. So that was a little bit of a shocker, but it did not stop me from using it. I still love it. And I used it all week. Is this the right one? Yes. I used it all week. Much what I'm going to do for today. I haven't been doing much with my brows lately simply because I want them to get a little bit more full. In general, I don't have very full eyebrows. Even before I started getting my eyebrows done, I didn't have very full eyebrows, but I want this little section right here to come back in. So what I've been doing mainly as of late is just putting a little bit of eyebrow gel on top of it and maybe putting a little concealer underneath. But as far as using a pencil on my brows, I haven't been doing that. I've been trying to keep them groomed so that they don't look super bad, but they're growing out a little bit right now, but that's okay. And for my eyes, this is the look that I have been going to. I don't know what it is. I just put that color on, that terracotta color. Let me see. I don't think there's the name. No, there are no names on here. But I've just been putting this really rich terracotta brown color right up all around my eyes, and then I intensify at the bottom, and then I just blend this seafoamy green over it, and I just like the way it comes out. Green is the complementary color for brown, so my skin is brown, my eyes are brown, and so I just think it makes it look a little bit more sparkly, and I really, really like it. And then I've been wearing gray eyeliner, and I've been using the Catrice Cosmetics liquid gel eye pencil. I really like this. This glides on really nicely. The other color I've been using in the center of my eyelid is this green color right here. And sometimes I'll mix the two of these where I'll put this on my inner tear ducts if I'm going to do something special. And it just gives a lot of pop, and I really, really like that. So that has been it. I've also used this purple color, but that kind of mutes it down a little bit. But then the greeny colors in the middle tend to make it like really... It's not that it comes out looking like pow, which is not what I want. I don't want it to look pow. I want it to look nice and subdued. But at the same time, I want it to have a little bit of a sparkle to it. I always seem to record at the worst time of the day. Anyway, but I just like for it to have a little bit of sparkle to it in that it just looks like a little bit more intense, and the green will definitely complement the brown of my skin as well as my eyes. So, oh, and then for my lips, I purchased a new lip color this week, and it is called, it's 972A Toffee Talk from Wet n Wild. This is one of their Catwalk liquid lip suits, Catwalk liquid matte lipsticks. It's a cat suit. I'm putting all the words together, but this is on sale right now. They are $5.99 regular price, but then they are on sale right now, 40% off in Rite Aid. And so I went in there, and this is the color lipstick that I was looking to get from Dose of Colors. They had one of their Dose of Colors, they have them on sale in Ulta right now. And every store I went to, they said they don't carry it in store. You have to get it online. And so when I went into Rite Aid and I was just shopping through the Wet n Wild items, I saw this and I said, oh, this is awesome. And it looks like it's the very same color, but then it's $3. The sale price for the Dose of Colors was $8 and some cents, but this was definitely just about the same color, and it was $3, so I said I'm good with that. And I've heard a lot of good things about the liquid cat suits from the Mega Last liquid cat suit from Wet n Wild, and so I'm really happy with this. Because I think the other one that I have from Wet n Wild is not, it's a high gloss, high lacquer gloss, so this was my very first time using the liquid cat suit, and I really like it. It does not dry my lips out. I'm so happy about that. I mean, granted, I do wear it with a lip gloss over it because I don't really like matte lip gloss. I mean, matte lips for me. I think it looks gorgeous on other people, just not on me. I've been using the Mentha Lip Shine. The Cinnamon is what I have on today, and this one's just clear, and the scent is cinnamon, and I just put it on over it, and I really, really like this. This is like a fabulous nude color. Even though in the container, it looks kind of like a grayish pink, it is like a really nice neutralizing color, and so I love it. So this was the new thing that I got for this week, as well as this La Regella Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Cocoa Beach. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely gorgeous. I'll swatch this one. Look how gorgeous. So pretty. I think I'm just trying to get ready for the summertime, the springtime with my lip colors. I did have to purge quite a few of my lip colors because they were beyond their time. If they have any kind of a change in texture, any kind of a change in smell, they go. So when I go to put them on, if they're not acting right, they go. So that has been a little recap of our week, as well as my whole makeup routine for this week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat time that we had together. And I will talk to you guys again early next week, where I will choose my new makeup basket. I'll talk to you soon, guys.